How you doing? I'm good. Come on, let's go onto the road. Come on. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. Yes. Okay, I'll pet you. Okay. You trust me? Wait, come back. Don't you want a pet? Oh, okay, you just want to rub your scent onto the, What are you looking for? Food? What? No? You don't trust me? Hey, puss? You don't trust me? You don't want a pet? Why were you meowing? I don't want to be hassling you, but I'll just give you a pet anyway. What's your name, hey? Come on, you ginger. Why are you had to be somewhat a bit, I don't know, timid or something? Oh, okay, you do trust me. Good on you. Oh, finally you rub against me. Oh, good on you. Good on you. Oh, give me the full scent treatment. Oh, I love you so much. This is why I love you cats. As long as you don't bite, that's good. Oh. Oh, yes, that's right. Keep purring. Keep purring. Who's your owner? Do you have one? Oh, of course you do. Oh, you love doing this for anyone who come across. You must be alone, eh? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Some bird just fly. You're just wishing your owner would be here. Oh, so you prefer head rubs than chin scratches? Oh, okay. If you like massages, yeah, why not? Well, I can tell you're so happy. Yep. Oh, okay. Oh, the finger's in the way of the camera. Okay. I wish I can do this all day. What do you reckon? Eh, puss? Well, you agree, eh? Oh, of course you do. Of course you do. And you're so affectionate. I thought you just don't want pets from anyone. Oh, yes you do. As long as it's nearby or closer where you live, eh? Anyway, I'm gonna get going. So, have a good afternoon. Hey, puss. Okay, see you later.